Hey guys, welcome to another Pro Tools tutorial video. If you're new to Pro Tools and you're wondering how to do certain tasks, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out the tempo of a track very simply. Now say you have received a track for a mastering session and the artist hasn't specified the tempo, and you just don't want to go through the trouble of asking the artist what the tempo is, and you just want to save some time. Or you've received an entire session without any tempo information. There's a very simple way to do that, and Pro Tools has a very nice feature to do this very easily. So I have this track here and I don't know the tempo. The default tempo on Pro Tools is 120 BPM. So if I want to find the tempo of this track, I just have to cut out a perfect loop. So let's go to the chorus section, that's the first beat. And I'm going to cut out the first beat by pressing B. And now I'm going to loop a section of this track. It can be 1 bar, it can be 2 bars, 4 bars. Just make sure it's one perfect cycle. Alright, that's our section. So again, I'm going to loop it there. So let's just make sure it's a perfect loop. Alright, that's a perfect loop. Now all you have to do is drag this loop to the first beat of any bar, and then you hit Command I, which opens up Identify Beat. So as you can see, it's not ending perfectly at the start of a new bar. So it starts at bar 289 and we want it to end at 293. So all we do is change it to 293. And now it shows us the tempo of the track, which is 129 beats per minute. So I can just deselect these and change the session tempo to 129. And now, as you can see, it's perfectly on grid. And there you go. That's a very simple way to find out the tempo of a track or an entire session. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.